Hey guys, this is my emergency preparedness merit badge video, and I'll be covering a emergency plan kit and what to do in case of if you need to evacuate or take care of an emergency in your home. I got this. First of all, we have a fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher is for fires. You should have it safely contained in a place that's also good for easy and quick use. And yeah. Next. We have a tent. If you need to evacuate, you take the tent with you, right? You live in a tent. And we have fire starters for whenever you might need a fire. An alternative is our matches or lighters. Next, we have flashlights and batteries. You should also bring a headlight, they're very handy. And as you can see, it's pretty bright. And it has multiple modes. You don't need something as hefty as this one. This is really helpful. Next you have emergency warmth if it gets cold at night. Right here we have hot hands and this sun blanket that I got from St. Jude. They're really just aluminum blankets, and they're very helpful for keeping you warm during the daytime. Oh yeah, we also have more batteries. I was trying to find these earlier, but this is for bigger electronics that need bigger batteries. And this too. Oh, that isn't. This too. You also need hygiene to stay clean and so that you don't get sick or have any bad illnesses. We got rolled gauze, a thermometer, and then we have a portable battery pack. It also charges in the sun. It's got a USB port for any communication devices that need charging. Next we have spare clothes. You need at least 3 days worth of clothes, so that you're not, getting sick. That's also with hygiene. We also have some food, vitamins, some batteries, can opener, and some cans. Obviously, those are so that you don't die of starvation. We have 4 gallons of water, which is, you should have at least a gallon per family member per day. And 5 of these bottles is 10 of these bottles is 1 gallon. So that's perfect for 4 family members. You have some garbage bags, just in case you need a garbage bag. We have a mess kit for preparing meals and eating them. Sleeping bag to stay warm at night. We also have a blanket in here, and it's Boy Scout Survival Handbook. In here we got knife, if you need to cut something up, like a bandage, maybe rope, which I also have in here. We have a compass. I recommend a better compass, but I couldn't find it. I also, yeah, some more rope, more thicker rope. Synthetic would work really well. And I recommend, as well as a knife, a multi-tool, you know, just for safekeeping, just in case you need something more. And then, in here as well, if I can find it, there's a little whistle, yeah, for if you get lost, if you need to call for someone. It's pretty loud, doesn't have to be that big. It's pretty high pitch. You just blow into it. Might take some breath out of you, but you'll be fine. Also, check, move.
He rescues you.
Also, brought my wallet with medical, or what's it called? Insurance. Yeah, insurance.
Identification.
Identification. You need these, and money, obviously. And finally, I'll just summarize this real quick. So in any case of emergency, you should always be prepared for stuff like this, where you have to leave. You should pack it up like this. Doesn't matter specifically what type of like organization it's in, but necessary survival if you need to run away, evacuate. If it's life or death, call 911. You should always call 911 if there's a big emergency, really. And you should have 3 main exits. For my family, it is the door, the yard, the garage door, and the windows. There's windows all around here, and it's probably more of the safer ones. And obviously, if we have a fire, we have a fire extinguisher. In a tornado, you should hide somewhere with no windows. During an earthquake, you should hide under something sturdy, like a door frame or an island with a bar or a table. In a flood, head to the attic or the upstairs, whichever ones you have. Just get to a high point, and yeah, that's it for emergency evacuation or safety during natural disaster. And you should always have emergency contacts listed. Family information, medical contacts, insurance information, and trusty friends that you can call over if you need help. I have a list right here: numbers, information, and names. My doctor, the insurance, Kroger Pharmacy, and yeah. Thank you for watching.